Morning everyone. Today we are going to be fishing for carp here at Cicero Reservoir. I don't know what the name is. We're here with Angel. Today we're gonna be using carp bait, but we're gonna be targeting carp. We're gonna see what we can catch. These guys fight pretty good. We've had experience with them, so just watch the video. Heck on the bait. Yes, sir. Way to catch a carp is you have to have a weight for your bait to hold, and you have to have a small octopus hook. Put a little piece of corn on it. I'll show you guys the process. This works is you're gonna grab a piece of dough, the little pack bait. You're gonna put it on the weight. You're gonna pack it on just like that. Now the point for this little hook right here, now that we have this ball, we're gonna be putting a piece of corn on it. And that's the rig. That's pretty much it. So all you gotta do, put the hook in the ball and then throw it out there. So we're gonna throw it out there. All right, so we're gonna cast it out. Doesn't have to be far, doesn't have to be too close. All together. And we wait. We're gonna wait for the lines. Out over there is tipping already. It's already tipping. It's like something's eating it and has it. We have a carp on right now, guys. Oh shit. Whoa, what is this? I don't think that's a carp. Is it? Oh, it's a catfish. We caught a catfish, boys. Ooh, boys. All right, bring him up. Oh, he's a fat little catfish right there. I expected a carp, but this guy's a chonker, dude. He is fat as fuck. Ooh, yeah, catfish. That boy is pooping, but he's still beautiful, man. He's a little nice and chunky. We're gonna release him. Go, buddy. There we go. All right, we're gonna get back to putting the bait back on. There we go. We're gonna cast it out there. Right there. Let it sink to the bottom. Once it hits the sink, loosen your drag. Now tighten it a little bit. Loosen your drag. Then we wait again. All right, he's on. Wasn't recording, but it tipped down. He's coming. Oh, he's coming.
I think he came off.
He come off? He came off. Sun is starting to rise. Oh yeah, it's like 8 in the morning now. But man, it's nice out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Get some fishing done. So we're gonna set the hook. Just the... Oh my gosh, what the heck? That's a lamb, bro. Or a shell. I don't want to touch that, but yeah.
What is that?
It's a little clam. He ate the piece of cord. He's pulling on it. Oh, that's dang. We didn't even catch a fish, bro. We caught a little clam, bro. All right. Think.
Suck them out.
Show the camera.
Suck them out. Put them in my fish tank.
With the goldfish. Pet goldfish.
What's going on?
We missed like. Well, he missed like 2 fish.
It's like 30 already.
Dang.
Blow my brains out.
All right. It's that orange one.
I'm switching out the hook. God.
Shut the hook lightly. It took the line?
It's gone.
It took the hook?
It took the hook.
What the heck? All right. We're going to pack this back up. All right. We're going to throw it back out there. I haven't even bit this one, so I'm gonna recast it. Yep. The bell is ringing on this. It's gonna go off the second that yeah. It's gonna go off the second I'm packing this bait on this one, it's gonna go off. I'm telling you. Yep, something has it. Something has it. Something has it. Something has it. Oh yeah. Something has it. Oh my gosh, it is a carp. Carp. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Get on the shore. Get on the shore. Woo! Good boy. Look at that. It's beautiful. We set the hook. Beautiful fish. This one's actually beautiful. This one's pretty. The carp. Check it out.
Goofy angle of the carp.
Goofy F angle of the carp. Whoa. They're tiny, but they fight so good. That's the thing. They just suck up all that bait we have in its mouth. Yeah, look at that. Look at the mouth on that. But yeah. People may not agree, but I believe carp are like good fighting fish. Oh my God. Oh my God.
He's going.
Are you recording this?
Yeah. Oh, Armando!
Hey, give me the camera. Give me the camera.
Put the back.
Oh, he's huge. He's huge.
You see him?
I see him.
I want to keep it up. I want to keep the hook up.
Oh my gosh, he is huge. All right, take your time. Fight it out. Oh, he is huge. He is
So good for the video too. Holy.
he's huge.
I don't have to worry about the
Bring him over here.
strength of the line.
Oh my gosh! Look at my hand, dude. Look at this.
Keep him. Hold on.
Oh my gosh, he is huge. Look at him. He's huge. Compared to mine, right here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he is huge.
Oh,
All right, we're gonna put him back in the water. These guys are huge.
We just caught this giant carp here out in Cicero with that goofy ass carp bait. Let's put him back in the water. Holy. He's gone.
Yeah, another carp. This one has a little fat belly on it. Doesn't compare to this guy's fish. He's pretty freaking huge. Oh my goodness, let's not have another incident. Here it is. Beautiful fish. It's a little dirty because we got him on shore, but just look at the mouth on that. Imagine the things it can do.
What the?
But yeah, fat little fish, fat carp. Beautiful, beautiful. We're gonna release him. All right, there we go, guys. Stop the video. I got something on.
Woo! Go! Give me your phone.
No!
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Nah. Is it? Wait, he's coming. He's coming towards me. No, he came off. He was like, when you hook them, they swim towards you and you think they're off, but they're not. They juke you. Dang, bro. Yeah, man, we've been watching the lines because all of a sudden they come down, then the fish just disappear because they swim towards us, like I was explaining. They get set, hook set, and they start swimming towards you, so you start thinking, oh man, it's just the weight I'm bringing in. But it's not, the fish is moving too. But yeah, that's how they come off, so. Yeah, guys, there it is. Nice little carp. We're gonna release him though. We're running out of bait. These carp are eating it up, so. They're pretty huge too. They're so strong. And they give up pretty good fights. So, we're just chilling out here.
Cooling method.
Nice one. Show everybody. Cool. Look at this. Nice one. And we were just about to pack up too, so don't pack up yet. Make sure that you get your fish. All right, look at it again. It's pretty. The mouth, perfectly hooked too. So yeah, I'm gonna release this guy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is the actual ending of the video because man, we're catching some fish. So hope you guys liked the video. Enjoy, catch yourself some carp. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.